They're not gonna be out right now.
Is that your
That's
cake?
motion.
Now light the candle and you gotta blow it out.
Can get it over. There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Olivia. Happy birthday to you. I will blow the candle
Okay,
out.
blow it out.
She was all looking at everybody who's not.
Good.
Do it again.
Good try. Do it again.
Do it
a little
again.
closer.
Ah.
There
Okay,
you go.
do it again.
Help her,
This
Dad.
is silly.
Oh, yay! Again.
You can have the
Do it
fish
again.
now. Do you want the fish?
Want the fishy?
It's nice. It's a nice fishy.
Wait till she turns
Yeah.
6 and wants to do it 6 times.
Logan just had his 8th
You know,
birthday and they
she
put
is very
the
impressionable
trick
at this age.
candles
Don't
on
say
it.
that again.